Get ready for an exciting automotive extravaganza. Birmingham's Mayor Randall L. Woodfin is set to unveil a stunning addition to his collection, and you won't want to miss it. On October 24th, the NASCAR Cars and Coffee event returns for its second annual celebration. And this time, it's bringing something truly special. Among the showcase of show cars, Mayor Woodfin's pride and joy, a beautifully restored 1967 Cadillac Eldorado named Ella Mae, will take center stage. With its customized deep black paint, upgraded windows, and sleek 18-inch wheels, Ella Mae is a sight to behold. But here's where it gets intriguing. Ella Mae isn't just any car. Named after the mayor's great-grandmother, Elnora, and the talented R&B artist Ella Mae, this Cadillac is a rolling tribute to family and music. And the story behind its restoration is just as captivating. Ella Mae is a beauty, and Spokes N Vogues really delivered, Mayor Woodfin gushed. They took their time and the results speak for themselves. Spokes N Vogues, a renowned customization shop, has worked its magic on cars for celebrities like Rick Ross, Too Short, and even Snoop Dogg. They're thrilled to have added Mayor Woodfin's Cadillac to their impressive portfolio. Customization is the new black in the car world, Lee Adams of Spokes N Vogues explained. It's an art. And we're seeing more and more people embrace it. And Ella Mae isn't alone in this celebration of automotive art. Joining her on 9th Avenue North will be an array of other customized gems, including Bun B's 1990 Brougham d'Elegance Cadillac, Big K.R.I.T's 1984 Eldorado Biarritz, and a lowrider from Curren. It's a car lover's paradise, Adams teased, and there's a special surprise waiting in Mayor Woodfin's trunk. You'll have to come and see it for yourself. But it's not just about the cars. The event promises something for everyone, from food trucks serving up delicious treats to coffee enthusiasts enjoying brews from Alicia's Coffee. There's an experience tailored for all tastes. And let's not forget the entertainment. Tracy's Sensational seniors will showcase their line dancing skills, while Logan the entertainer and Sherri will take the stage later in the day. DJ B. Brian will keep the energy high with his musical selections. For those wondering how to get there, Max has you covered with a free trip from Birmingham City Hall to City Walk. Just hop on a van in front of City Hall and you'll be dropped off at the heart of the action. So, mark your calendars, car enthusiasts and Birmingham locals. This event is a celebration of automotive passion, music, and community. And who knows, you might just uncover a hidden gem or two among these customized beauties. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the cars. It's about the stories they tell, the memories they hold, and the connections they forge. So, will you be there to witness the magic? We sure hope so. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Is this event on your radar? What's your take on customized cars? We'd love to hear your opinions.